We installed a racquetball court over existing concrete. We utilized Metflex tiles. The style of tile is the top court. We used navy blue for the center of the court and royal blue for the perimeter, and we striped the court with the white lines. This was an existing basketball hoop that we left in place, and on the other side of the wall there is another court that we installed a few years ago. It's almost a mirror image of the court that we just installed. We also framed the court with synthetic turf, giving it a nice clean look all the way around to separate the court from the fence. Some places took a lot more synthetic turf than others. That's the original court now being square. This is the latest sports court built by Gappsi in Long Beach, New York.